Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today in this video we will see how to make anecdotal record. This is part 3 and I have already uploaded 2 parts. You can see disadvantages, anecdotal record. We have almost covered these things. Okay, if you need this then please do check it in the description box below. Okay, so today we are going to see anecdotal record, how to make that sample of that anecdotal record. You can see here. So here we have to mention date, time, okay, place. So we have to also mention the specific place where the incident has happened, situation, prayer, behavior. So what was the behavior of the student when we were observing him or her? So we have to describe all that thing, okay, that teacher has analyzed or evaluate. We have to like teacher has to describe all the things. One of the student behavior was weird. He was not attentive while prayer was going on. He was disturbing other boys. He was abusing one student constantly. Like this we have to give point to point description. Okay, after this, other reactions. What was his other reactions? So we have to describe all the actions of that particular boy or girl. You can see here it can be clearly noticed that he was too angry, okay, and his behavior was weird. He was trying to bite other students. His eyes became red. He was sweating a lot. He was using abusive language. Like this we have to describe all the thing. Okay, last page. What is our suggestion? So teacher has to also give suggestion. Okay, you can see here counseling should be done. He should be taught to behave mannerly with other students. Teacher must focus on him and should try to analyze problem. Teacher should try to make comfortable environment for him or her in order to boost up confidence. Student teachers should try to focus on positive points of students. Like this we have to make, you can see, anecdotal record. This was part 3. Disadvantages, you can have a glimpse of all those things. Types, first type, like this, you can see anecdotal record. What is anecdotal record? If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.